This is going to be just a quick overview of how to create a board using Flipquiz. So as you can see, once you get logged in, if you click on My Dashboard, then you see a list of the boards that you have created. So we'll take a look at this here in just a second. But if we want to create a new board, go to the top right, click on Create Board, and we'll go ahead and name that board, whatever it is that you're going to use this particular board for. Let's just call this Professional Inspiration. Create and continue. And on this next page, you see in the orange, you see your category title. So if you could think of like the game show Jeopardy, you have different categories, and this is much the same. So we'll just call this category Math, and I'll just add in Math question 1. So let's say Math number 1, Math number 2, and so on. So you have the option to add 5 questions to those. And if you want another category, let's say you're in math and you're covering different topics in math and each category needs to be a different topic, then you would add that new category here. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw in another subject area. So science question number 1, science question number 2. And you can see over here on the right what each one is going to be worth. So you might want to, while you're adding these questions, kind of increase in difficulty as you're adding them, since they're worth more points as you go. And down here on the bottom, you can actually change the background. You can add a custom image if you upgrade to Pro, but what I'm showing you now is just what's going to be available in the free version. So you can preview your game. I'm going to go ahead and save it. And you can see here, as at the top, you can click on play. You've got 2 categories here created. So here are 2 categories. This will be posted on your screen as your students are reviewing your content. So let's say a team picks math for 200. Click on 200. There's the math for 200 question. If they get that question right, then obviously you give them the points. They earn the points. Now there is a way to keep score, but again, that's in the Pro version, so you might have to get kind of creative on how you do that at this time. So let's go back to my dashboard, and I'll just give you an idea here looking at the other board that I've created, Educator Pi. So you can see here what I did was created 4 categories. So a math category, I've got a couple of questions in there. We've got a science category, a PE category, music. So you kind of get the idea. So that's how you create a board using Flipquiz.